In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your crypto funds from Binance into your Skrill account. Whether you're familiar with cryptocurrency exchanges or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the entire process with clarity and precision. So let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the website boomchange.com. Now that's spelled out as BOOM change.com. Once you're on the home page, you're going to see a couple of blocks or sections where you'll need to make some selections. In the first block, you'll choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to withdraw from Binance. For this demonstration, we'll use USDT on the TRC20 network. However, feel free to choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency that's supported depending on what you have available. Next, in the second block, you'll select Skrill as your receiving option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and remember, there is a minimum transaction amount for this pair, which is around 100 USDT. After entering the details, go ahead and click on the exchange button to proceed. Moving on to the next page, you'll first enter your Skrill account email address. This is the address where your funds will eventually arrive. Below that, in the second section, you'll need to input your contact email. This could either be the same email or an alternative one that you regularly use. Press continue once you've filled in these details. Now we're at a crucial step, double checking. On the following page, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Mistakes here could cause delays, so take a moment to make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, agree to the terms of use, then go ahead and click the confirm button. Up next, you'll see the USDT TRC20 deposit address given by BoomChange. Copy this address. We're now going to shift over to Binance to complete the next steps. Head back to your Binance account and from the home page, click on Assets. Navigate to your spot or funding wallet. Locate USDT, click on it, and then select Withdraw. Under Withdraw Options, choose Send via Crypto Network. In the address field, paste the USDT TRC20 address you copied from BoomChange. Choose Tron, shown as TRC20, as the network. Afterward, enter the amount you are going to send, and then click Withdraw. It's important to remember that a small network fee might apply, so ensure you're sending the exact amount specified by BoomChange. Once you've confirmed and sent the crypto to the BoomChange address, return to the BoomChange website and click the button that says I have paid. Now, it's just a waiting game. Typically, BoomChange transactions are processed within 10 to 60 minutes, though occasionally things might take a bit longer, so hang tight while your funds make their way to your Skrill account. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to effectively withdraw from Binance to Skrill with ease and safety in mind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more insightful crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.